What's going on? This is John Shaw back with another video, and today we're going to be talking about the PolarPro tripod mount for the Osmo Pocket. Let's go ahead and get started. Comes in the box, just a little selected background, the unit itself, and that's it. We're going to go ahead and set that aside. And so what this is, you look at it, see all the sides. Yeah, quarter thread right there, quarter thread right there for the bottom. And this lets you, basically, you're able to mount this to a tripod or other things with a quarter thread mount and still be able to keep all your stuff on there. See, with the one that comes from DJI, this one, put it on here, put it on there, and as you see, you're not able to use anything else with the accessory port. So only port you can use is that port. So, and then that's that. So, and then also with this, you still have to buy another piece in order to. You have to buy another piece, or if you have a GoPro piece, then you still have to use another piece just to attach it to a tripod. So I didn't like that. So, and also I don't like how it sits, because it sits on the offside. I don't like that. So been looking for another solution, and PolarPro has a solution for that. So let's go ahead and figure out how we're supposed to pop this open right here. And just slide it in. Just slide it in. It's basically like a shell for it. Pop that in. You still have your phone attachment there. Attach your phone, or you can still have your control wheel right here, which is what I want. I want to have the control wheel. I can still able to mount it to a tripod or to a selfie stick. And have it straight like that instead of sitting off to the side or stuff, you know what I'm saying? So it makes it to where it's easier to adjust and do things. So right like that. Let me go ahead and take that off. And that's the PolarPro tripod mount. It's your boy John Shaw. Peace out.